unboxing our Gerard Cosmetics Love Mystery Box. As well as I do have a couple extra things in here as well to show you guys that I'm pretty excited about. So before we jump into the unboxing, if you are new here, hey, welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess, we run on a ton of caffeine, and it's a drama and judgment free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk about makeup, and we remember at the end of the day, it is in fact just makeup, it washes off, it's not that serious. So hopefully this is a channel for you and you'll decide to stick around and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload a video. Let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. This is what the box looks like. Gerard Cosmetics had a mystery box. There was like 3 different sizes that you could pick up. This was the $25 box. Now I did have a PR credit, so I did pick this up using my PR credit. Every so often we do receive a credit in our account where we can purchase a bunch of different Gerard Cosmetics items. So that's what I did. I picked up this mystery box as well as some other Gerard Cosmetics items that I wanted to show you guys. So starting right off, this is what the box looks like. I love her packaging, but you guys know I am like a sucker for packaging. Okay, so jumping right in, I got a refill of her teeth whitening eye. This is just, oof, it's really good, it's really affordable, and you don't have to use a ton of it to start noticing results. So let's go ahead, I'm going to show you guys what I purchased separate from the Love box with my PR credit. So first I got the Gerard Cosmetics BB Plus Illumination Facial Cream. This was in the shade Grace. Now I have another one right here in the shade Dorothy, and it's a little too dark for me right now. So I wanted to go ahead and get a lighter one. And what these are really nice for is you could use them alone prior to putting on your foundation, or you can also mix them in your lotion and get a really pretty shimmer look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. I love it. I love it. Do you guys see that? Oh, that is so pretty. Like I said, I love to mix these in my lotion and my skincare prior to putting, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Do you guys see that radiance? Ooh, I'm gonna put some up through here. Whatever's left on my finger. You can use it like you would your Hollywood Flawless Filter but before you put on your foundation, you could put this, lay this down like you would. And that is why I wanted it too, in a lighter color, because that's what I do is I will put my Charlotte Tilbury down and then I'll put my foundation over top, and in my head, that's what this does, and it does. Okay, so this is the shade Grace. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it so much. I mean, that radiant, that glow. Okay. I'm gonna make this video really long. You guys know what I do. Okay, the other item that I picked up is another, because you guys know how much I love her highlighters. So this is in the shade Audrey. This is the Star Powder highlighter. It is so pretty. You guys know I talk about the Grace, the Grace highlighter all the time. Ooh, that's pretty. That has like a gold undertone to it. Let's add some. Let's add some. Oh, oh. This is going to be pretty in the summertime too. Grace is my favorite highlighter, but I thought it would be fun to try out other ones. I'm just collecting them at this point. I have Sophie, I have Grace, now I have Audrey. That is pretty. That is definitely a gold highlighter. That's really pretty. And then the last item that I did pick up before we get into the actual mystery box was the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. I needed a backup. I knew this stuff was gonna sell out because it had in the pre-sale. I'm like, I can't go without this. This stuff, you guys, you don't even have to have you don't have to have eyeshadow on. You could just like put it on and that's it, and it just like gives you this nice, beautiful, clean base. It's perfect. So, okay, let's get into the actual unboxing of the products for the Love box. So the first item I see here is the Slay All Day Setting Spray. Oh, it's in mint chocolate chip. That's one of my favorites. I have that sitting right down here. It did come with a pump. The next item is the internal eyeliner in the shade Black or Noir. Oh my gosh, this packaging is precious. Hold on, I want to open it so I can show you guys. Talk about detail. So it's going to be like one of those little liners. That will probably, to be 100% honest with you guys, this will probably end up in a giveaway because I'm not one to use liquid liners. So one of you guys will end up seeing this in a future giveaway. The next item that we received is the Gerard Cosmetics. This is the lip pencil in the shade Immortal. Ooh, I love her lip pencils. You guys know that. Oh, it's gonna be bright. That's okay. I'm getting, oh, you know what? This will go perfect with my new NARS lipstick that I just got in my Boxycharm. Okay, let's try that. And then we got the Supreme Lip Cream in Destiny. Does it match? Ooh, this is a really pretty mauve. You know what? You could pair those together. You could totally pair that together. Oh, that smells good. Okay, I want to swatch. This is a me color. And you know I'll be pairing it with my Sugar and Spice. But I love that lip liner shade. That'll go so good with that new NARS lipstick. But I really like this Destiny color. This is really pretty. I like it. So this box, like I said, was $25 and you got a mix of different items in here. Would I purchase a mystery box again from Gerard Cosmetics? Absolutely. I think that we got a good range of products in here. We got the eyeliner, the lip liner, the lip cream, the spray. That's pretty good for $25. I mean, these sprays alone, these lip, like, this is a really good deal. This is a really good deal. Let me know down below if you guys picked up one of the mystery boxes. I gotta, like, I'm not gonna lie, I've never purchased a mystery box ever. Like, I've never gotten one of the mystery boxes from anywhere. Because I'm a little like nervous because you have to keep an open mind to everything that will be potentially in there. And will I use that? Will that be a shade for me? And I will say, like, you guys know I have been better about getting outside my comfort zone, trying out different lip colors, eye shades, what have you. Like today, for example, I've got the Alter Ego matte lipstick in Euphoria on. This is a dark lipstick for me, but I'm getting outside my comfort zone. So I will definitely use the lipstick and the Immortal lip liner, and you guys will see that in the future. I can promise you guys that. So anyways, guys, that is the quick unboxing of and haul of our Gerard Cosmetics products. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells because I upload all the time over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and hop off for now. I have one more video to film. Anyways, guys, don't forget I did upload a video, the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, giving you guys my recommendations, items that I was interested in picking up, all of that. I will try and link it up here. If not, this is what the thumbnail looks like. Hopefully I can pop that in here, or I'll just put it at the end of the video. Anyways, guys, I am gonna hop off, losing my voice like something fierce. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I can't talk. I can't talk.